Hi folks, my name is Mary. I work here at Guarantee. I'd like to talk to you today about a Coachmen Catalina. This is a 263 bunkhouse. So let's look inside. I always enjoy the solid step of the Coachmen Catalina. Now as you come inside, you'll notice a very spacious sleeping bunk area. This could easily fit 4 kids. U-shaped dinette is spacious and cozy, and you have a couch for relaxing while you watch the big TV near the fireplace. The kitchen comes with a microwave, an oven, and a stovetop with lots of counter space and drawers. The master bedroom has a walk-around queen-size bed with a door and a storage closet. The bathroom has a skylight and a nice storage cabinet. On the outside, you will find a deluxe outside kitchen where you can grill. Your group will love the huge awning. And there's an outside shower and a huge pass-through storage. You also have a rack on the back of this unit, and you can put firewood or bikes or your gear. Thanks folks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. I'd love to show you this unit, and if I can be of help, please give me a call. Thanks.